got that adrenaline momentum, not knowing when I'm never gonna slow up and I'm ready to stay.
I've always loved cycling, and when I did my first triathlon 4 years ago, I was immediately hooked. Like most people, I started out training and racing using my road bike. But after my first few races, I started looking for ways to go faster. I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on a brand new triathlon bike, so I tried to modify my road bike to get a faster aero position. But all the products I tried required me to completely abandon my normal road setup. I didn't want to have to choose either a road position or an aero position, and it turns out my friends felt the same way.
As mechanical engineers, we knew there had to be a better solution, not only for triathletes, but for anyone looking for a more comfortable alternative riding position. So we set out to design a system that would allow us to ride our road bikes, but switch back and forth on the fly between a road position and an aero position. After a ton of prototyping and testing, we're really excited to introduce the Switch Aero system. The system has two main parts: a set of quick-release aero bars that mount to your handlebar, and a dual-position seat post that lets you change your saddle position on the fly. The Switch aero bars are different than any other clip-on aero bars. They have a unique quick-release mechanism that allows you to attach or remove the aero bars in seconds without using any tools. The aero bars mount securely and repeatably, so you know they're in the exact same position every time you attach them. They're also incredibly adjustable, and we're offering a choice of 3 different extension shapes, so everyone will be able to find their optimal riding position.
The dual position seat post lets you switch your saddle between a normal road position and an aero position that's similar to the setup of a tri-bike. You can move the seat forward on the fly, letting you ride more comfortably and efficiently when using the aero bars. The seat post is also really adjustable, so you can dial in the perfect fit in both positions. The Switch Aero system gives you incredible versatility with a single bike. You get the speed and efficiency of a triathlon bike without giving up the climbing, maneuverability, and comfort of a road bike. If you're going out for a group ride or a local road race, you can take the aero bars off and ride a pure road bike. But if you're racing or training for a triathlon, put the aero bars back on. You can hammer the flats in the aero position and still spin up the climbs in the road position. The Switch Aero system gives you the flexibility to choose the best setup for every part of every ride.
We think the Switch Aero system will help a lot of people ride faster, further, and more comfortably on the bikes they already own. We've done extensive testing and logged a lot of miles training and racing using the prototypes. Our manufacturers are lined up and ready to go, and now we need your help to get production up and running. We've got some great rewards for backers at all different levels, and every little bit helps. Thanks for your support. We'll see you out on the road.
Tragedies like this don't have to happen.
And with the lane sight system, you'll never experience another gut-wrenching close call again, because we've got your back.
As you're riding, the lane sight's patented rear camera system scans the road behind you, detecting automobiles as they approach. Once a vehicle is detected, the system sends a flashing alert to both the vehicle behind you and to the unit on your handlebar. The alert system on the handlebar can also signal an audible warning. As the vehicle approaches, the system tracks it and the alerts increase in speed. The increased frequency helps the driver notice that you are there and warns you that the vehicle is getting closer, giving you plenty of time to move over. If a vehicle gets too close, the rear camera will capture video and the front camera will snap a picture of the vehicle's license plate.
Ride safe and at ease, knowing that with the lane sight system, we've got your back.
philosophy of life is if I do something, I want to do it 100%. I always try to be a step ahead of the others in terms of nutrition, in terms of training. Every second counts. The equipment is crucial today, also the sunglasses.
In 1996, the Air Force approached us. We were 3 professors at Kent State University's Liquid Crystal Institute, and they asked us to see if we can create a technology that will allow a pilot or a soldier going into a building to adapt to the different environmental conditions as fast as they can. That means that in the dark state, it needs to be like sunglass, and in the clear state, as clear as possible. It will allow a person to be able to control the amount of lights that hits them and when to hit them. I'm convinced that control will revolutionize the eyewear industry.
I had them on automatic mode and I said, this is not gonna work, huh? But I went to a darker place where I was about to grab my glasses and take them down. Instant, I had clear lenses. If you go for an easy ride, it's nice to play a little bit dark clear. In a race, it's not safe to take your hand off the bar. I would have it on automatic mode as soon as I leave the bus.
It's extraordinary that this piece of equipment, designed for the US Special Forces, is available for any demanding consumer, for any athlete or anybody who wants to enhance performance. The product can be customized in different ways. For optimal fit, you can bend the sides and the nose pad. Second of all, you can also choose the color of the frame and the color of the lens.
You can take 200 cyclists and let them try this and they say, this is fantastic.
So I'll see you tomorrow then.
Yeah, have a good ride, man.
You too. Bye.
See ya.
In 1 mile, exit right.
Hey mate, it's me. Traffic is hectic tonight. I wouldn't head down the high street if I were you.
Okay, thanks. I'll change my route. Hello?
Hey honey, are you close to home?
I'm just around the corner. I'll see you in 5 minutes.
As urban cyclists, we wanted to deal with the biggest problems of biking in cities, namely navigation and security. There are a couple of accessories that try to solve these issues, but there hasn't been any complete solution. Introducing Smart Halo. Smart Halo isn't just another bike accessory. In fact, it's not meant to be removed after each ride. It installs permanently on your handlebar and pairs with your smartphone to turn your bike into a smart bike and provide a biking experience like no other.
Smart Halo's design philosophy has always been centered on simplicity. Biking in cities can be a challenge, so we've made sure our device was simple yet smart. How? By reducing its interface to its simplest possible form, a circle. This luminous halo allows us to communicate an impressive amount of information. Smart Halo finds the quickest, safest routes and bike paths for you to make your ride a stress-free experience. Just input the destination in our app, tuck your phone safely in your pocket, and let Smart Halo take care of the rest. Our unique circular interface allows us to show every type of turn the city can offer. Also, our light patterns warn you in advance of an incoming turn, so you get plenty of time to plan your next move. As soon as you start riding, Smart Halo tracks your bike metrics, your time, distance, average speed, the calories you've burned, as well as your total elevation. Unlike regular fitness apps, you don't need to press start or stop. It does it all seamlessly. You don't even need to take your phone out of your pocket. Smart Halo is also equipped with a smart nightlight. It turns on automatically when it's dark and shuts off on its own when you're done riding. With the personal assistant feature, Smart Halo will notify you of incoming calls or text messages right on your handlebar.
All of this intelligence wouldn't be possible without having Smart Halo living permanently on your handlebar. The design goal of Smart Halo was to build a simple and integrated interface that would fit any bicycle and under any condition. It's built to resist the worst that Mother Nature can throw at it, be it rain, dirt, or snow. Smart Halo was also built to resist your bike's worst enemy, bike thieves. Assembled with a unique tamper-proof system, Smart Halo can only be unlocked with a special key provided with the product. But we went further than this. Smart Halo is also an integrated alarm system. When activated, anyone trying to steal your sweet ride will hear the angry roar of Smart Halo.
Smart Halo has been designed to be beautiful inside and out. There is no on-off button on Smart Halo. Its sophisticated sensors detect your presence. It only turns on when you are riding. When you're done, it shuts down by itself. All this leads to amazing battery life to keep going as long as you do. Under normal usage, Smart Halo will last around 3 weeks.
It's become obvious we need greener transportation methods. If bikes are to be legitimized, they need to be connected and smart and elegant. With Smart Halo, there's balance between sophistication and simplicity. You'll agree when you turn your bike into a smart bike.